Creating a television involves a combination of intricate engineering, design, and assembly processes. Here's an overview of the key stages involved in the production of a television. 1. Design and conceptualization. Market research. Manufacturers study consumer preferences and technological trends to determine the type of television to produce. For example, smart TV, 4K, OLED. Prototyping. Engineers and designers create a prototype based on specifications. They focus on screen size, resolution, panel type LCD, LED, OLED, and other features. Component selection. Components such as the display panel, processors, speakers, connectors, and other electronic parts are selected. 2. Panel manufacturing, LCD, OLED panel production, LCD. The liquid crystal display LCD panel is created by layering liquid crystals between two glass panels. A backlight is added to illuminate the screen. OLED. Organic light-emitting diodes OLED are used, where each pixel emits its light. These panels are thinner and more energy efficient compared to traditional LCD. Testing. The panels are tested for color accuracy, uniformity, and functionality. Any defective panels are rejected. 3. Circuit board manufacturing. Mainboard assembly. The television's mainboard, also called a motherboard, is assembled. This includes the central processing unit CPU, graphics processing unit, GPU, memory, and other integrated circuits. Connectivity ports. Ports for HDMI, USB, audio, and Ethernet are soldered onto the mainboard. Microchips. Specialized chips are used to handle video decoding, smart features, and other advanced functionalities. For assembly process. Mounting the panel. The assembled LCD or OLED panel is securely mounted onto a frame, which holds it in place. Installing the electronics. The circuit board, power supply, and other electronics are installed into the television's frame. Components like the Wi-Fi module for smart TVs, sound system, and cooling fans are added. Connecting to the panel. The display panel is connected to the mainboard, ensuring the video signal and other inputs are properly linked. 5. Software and firmware integration. Operating system. Smart TVs need an operating system like Android TV, WebOS, or Roku. The firmware is installed and configured to ensure that the TV operates as expected. Testing for functionality. Software is tested to ensure smooth navigation, streaming capabilities, connectivity, and compatibility with external devices. 6. Calibration. Color calibration. The TV is calibrated to ensure accurate colors, brightness, contrast, and other visual settings. Audio calibration. The sound system is adjusted for optimal sound quality based on the internal speakers and external systems. 7. Quality control and testing. Functional testing. Every television undergoes functional testing to ensure that all features, for example, display quality, remote control functionality, sound, smart capabilities work properly. Durability testing. The television is subjected to tests, simulating normal wear and tear, ensuring it can withstand prolonged use without malfunctioning. Certification. The television must meet industry standards for safety, energy efficiency, and performance. It's tested for compliance with various regulatory bodies. 8. Packaging and shipping. Packaging. After passing the tests, the televisions are packaged with necessary accessories like remote controls, power cords, and user manuals. Shipping. The final products are shipped to retailers or directly to consumers. 9. Display panel technology and innovation. Types of displays. The evolution of display technologies has led to different types of panels with unique characteristics. LED light-emitting diode, often referred to as LED TVs. These are technically LCDs that use LED backlighting instead of fluorescent backlights. The LEDs are more energy efficient and allow for thinner TV designs. OLED organic light-emitting diode. Old TVs offer individual pixel illumination, making them capable of true blacks and higher contrast ratios compared to LED LCD TVs. OLED is more flexible and lighter, but can be more expensive to produce. QLED, quantum dot LED, a newer technology used in high-end TVs, utilizing quantum dots for better color reproduction and brightness. Samsung is a prominent manufacturer of QLED TVs. Mini LED, a technology combining the benefits of traditional LED backlighting with miniaturized LED elements, resulting in better contrast, brightness, and efficiency. OLED manufacturing process. Deposition of organic material. Old panels are made by depositing organic thin films on a substrate. These materials emit light when an electrical current passes through them. This process is done with precision, and the quality of the materials directly affects the final product. Encapsulation. To prevent the organic materials from degrading, old displays are encapsulated with a protective layer. This helps extend the life of the display and improves durability. 10. Advanced image processing and enhancements. Video processing chips. Modern TVs come with advanced image processors that enhance the video signal before it's displayed. These chips help with upscaling, improving the quality of lower-resolution content. For example, from HD to 4K, motion smoothing, enhancing motion clarity, especially for fast-moving scenes, to reduce motion blur. HDR high dynamic range, improves brightness, contrast, and color accuracy. It allows TVs to show a wider range of colors and shades, offering a more lifelike image. Local dimming. In LED and QLED TVs, local dimming technology allows specific parts of the screen to dim or brighten based on the content displayed, enhancing contrast and black levels. 11. Smart TV integration and operating system. Smart features. A significant portion of TV sales today is driven by smart TVs, which offer integrated internet connectivity, streaming apps, Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime, and other features such as voice control and screen mirroring. Operating system. Different brands use different operating systems, such as Tizen Samsung, Webos LG Android TV, Sony, TCL Roku TV used by various manufacturers. The operating system runs apps, manages network connections, and controls the overall smart functionality of the TV. Voice control. Many smart TVs integrate voice assistants such as Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or proprietary voice systems, enabling hands-free control of the TV. Artificial intelligence, AI. Some high-end TVs are equipped with AI that can enhance picture quality and sound based on room lighting, ambient sound, and content being played. 12. Sound systems and audio processing. Built-in audio. The sound system in most modern TVs has improved, though still generally not on par with high-end external sound systems. TV manufacturers often incorporate multi-channel speakers, subwoofers, and enhanced audio technologies like Dolby Atmos or DTS:X, soundbars and external speakers. Many users prefer using external audio systems such as soundbars or home theater systems. Some televisions even come with advanced audio out options to connect these external devices. AI-based sound calibration. Some high-end TVs use AI to analyze the acoustics of the room and adjust the audio output for an optimized listening experience. 13. Energy efficiency and environmental concerns. Energy ratings. Modern TVs are designed to be energy efficient. They comply with standards such as Energy Star, which is a certification indicating that the product meets certain energy efficiency guidelines. Eco-friendly manufacturing. Manufacturers are also focusing on reducing their environmental impact by using recyclable materials and minimizing harmful substances like lead, mercury, and cadmium in the production of TV components. Reducing e-waste. Manufacturers are moving towards designs that make it easier to recycle older models. Some companies also offer take-back programs to encourage responsible disposal of old televisions. 14. Global distribution and market launch. Distribution networks. Once the TVs are manufactured and packaged, they are distributed to different regions around the world. Supply chain logistics are critical, as televisions are bulky items that require careful handling and transport. Retail and online sales. Retailers, both physical and online, stock the televisions. TV manufacturers often coordinate product launches with major retailers and e-commerce platforms to maximize visibility. Post-sales support. After the sale, manufacturers provide warranty support and customer service. Many offer repair services, software updates, and troubleshooting guides for consumers. 15. Future innovations. Micro-LED technology, an emerging display technology that uses tiny micro-sized LEDs to create self-emissive displays similar to old, but without the potential for burn. Micro-LED offers bright, sharp, and vibrant images with no risk of pixel degradation over time. 8K resolution. While 4K is the current standard, manufacturers are working on producing 8K TVs, which offer 4 times the resolution of 4K. This technology is still in its infancy, but has been showcased in high-end models. Flexible and rollable TVs. With old technology, we're seeing innovations such as rollable TVs. For example, LG's signature OLED, which can unroll from a base to create a full-size display, offering the potential for highly versatile living room setups. It seems like you'd like a deep dive into everything related to the creation and technology behind televisions. Let's break it down further into a more comprehensive guide that touches every key detail. From the very start of the TV production process to the latest advancements. 1. Conceptualization and design. Understanding market demands. TV manufacturers begin by researching consumer preferences, technological trends, and industry standards. They examine popular screen sizes, desired resolutions 4K, 8K, smart TV features, and other innovations like curved screens or ultra-thin designs. Prototyping and design drafting. Engineers and designers create digital models and prototypes. At this stage, decisions on aesthetics, user interface, and the type of panel LED, old QLED, etc., are finalized. 2. Manufacturing the display panel. Types of display panels. LCD liquid crystal display. LCDs are still widely used and are often backlit by LEDs, making them LED TVs. Liquid crystals control the passage of light through the panel to create images. OLED, organic light emitting diodes. Old TVs are famous for their perfect black levels, vibrant colors, and thinner designs. Each pixel in an old panel generates its light, reducing energy consumption and allowing for higher contrast ratios. Micro-LED, next-generation display technology using tiny LEDs to form individual pixels. Micro delivers true-to-life colors, no burn-in, and superior brightness compared to old. Cold Quantum dot LED technology offers better brightness and color accuracy than traditional LED panels by using quantum dots to enhance light performance. Manufacturing old displays. Deposition process. OLEDs are made by depositing thin organic films on a substrate. This process is incredibly precise because even tiny imperfections can impact the panel's quality. Flexible OLEDs. Some TVs, like Samsung's or LG's, are made with flexible OLED technology, allowing for curved or even rollable screens. Encapsulation. To protect the organic materials from oxygen and moisture, old panels are encapsulated using special layers that maintain the integrity of the display. 3. Circuitry and components. Main circuit board, motherboard. The motherboard is the heart of the television's electronics, managing power distribution, video and audio processing, connectivity, and the operating system. Processors and chips. Video processing chips. These chips handle tasks like upscaling content, color enhancement, and motion smoothing. AI integration. Modern TVs use AI to analyze and adjust picture quality based on the environment and content. Power supply. The power supply board ensures the TV gets the correct voltage and power, stabilizing the flow from the outlet to various components. 4. Assembly process. Screen mounting. The display panel is mounted to the TV's outer frame. Precision is key here to prevent issues like dead pixels or misalignment. Connection to mainboard. The mainboard is connected to the display panel through cables or connectors, often using ribbon cables that carry signals from the processor to the screen. Adding ports and components. Ports, HDMI, USB, Ethernet, ETSI, and speakers are installed at this stage, alongside other peripherals like Wi-Fi modules or Bluetooth antennas. 5. Software integration. Operating system. Smart TVs run an operating system that controls the user interface and allows you to access apps and streaming services. Popular OSAs include Tizen Samsung, known for its user-friendly interface and integration with other Samsung products. Weebos offers a minimalist interface with a smart remote for easy navigation. Android TV, Sony, Sharp. Based on Google's Android system, it offers access to a wide range of apps. Roku TV. Known for its simplicity and wide selection of streaming channels, smart features, integration of features like voice assistants, Alexa, Google Assistant, screen mirroring and casting, along with internet browsing capabilities. 6. Audio integration. Built-in audio systems. TV audio systems have evolved, with many using stereo or multi-channel speaker setups. IN TVs often feature Dolby Atmos for immersive sound. External audio support. Soundbars and home theater systems are frequently used for better sound quality. Many TVs include advanced audio output options like HDMI, ARC audio return channel, and optical audio. 7. Calibration and quality control. Picture calibration. To ensure color accuracy and contrast, the TV undergoes thorough calibration. This includes adjusting brightness, white balance, and saturation. Audio calibration. Audio is also tested for clarity, and some TVs even use room acoustics analysis to optimize sound based on the room layout. Functional testing. Each unit is subjected to rigorous testing, including display checks, resolution, color uniformity, connectivity tests, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and stress tests to ensure reliability. Safety and regulatory compliance. TVs are tested for compliance with safety standards, such as UL certification, electromagnetic interference, and energy efficiency. 8. Packaging and shipping. Packaging. After the TV passes quality control, it is carefully packaged to avoid damage during transport. Packaging includes the TV, remote control, power cables, and sometimes mounting brackets. Global distribution. The TVs are distributed globally, either through retailers, direct sales channels, or e-commerce. Manufacturers partner with shipping and logistics companies to get the TVs to stores and homes safely. 9. Energy efficiency and environmental considerations. Energy-efficient technologies. TVs today are designed with energy efficiency in mind, reducing power consumption without compromising performance. Many TVs carry Energy Star certification. Eco-friendly materials. Manufacturers use recyclable materials in the production of components like plastic and glass. Some are working on biodegradable packaging. Reducing e-waste. Manufacturers aim to reduce electronic waste by designing products that are easier to recycle, with an emphasis on repairing and reusing components where possible. 10. Technological trends and innovations. 8K resolution. The latest frontier in display resolution, 8K TVs offer 4 times the pixel count of 4K. But content for 8K is still limited. It is mostly aimed at high-end users and professionals. Micro-OLED displays. These are self-emitting displays like OLED, but made with tiny LED modules that form pixels. They promise better brightness, no burn-in, and potentially infinite contrast ratios. Rollable and flexible displays. These screens can either be rolled up into a compact form or bent into curves, offering new ways to integrate TVs into living spaces. 11. Future of TV technology. Quantum dot OLED QD, a hybrid technology combining the benefits of OLED and quantum dots to deliver superior color accuracy and brightness levels. AI and machine learning. AI will continue to enhance picture quality, user interfaces, and smart features, with TVs becoming more intuitive over time. Augmented reality AR integration. Future TVs might have augmented reality capabilities, allowing for interactive displays and experiences directly from your living room. 5G integration. As 5G technology spreads, TVs may integrate 5G to provide faster, high-quality streaming and lower latency for interactive content. 12. Consumer experience. User interface, UI and smart TV apps. Modern TVs come with a customizable user interface, where users can easily switch between live TV, streaming apps, games, and more. Voice and gesture control. Voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri are integrated to allow hands-free control of TV functions. Multi-screen functionality. Some TVs can handle multi-device input simultaneously, displaying content from multiple sources on the same screen.